Okay, this is a video showing you how to put in your in-text citations using Noodle tools, how to find out what the in-text citations are, and exporting your works cited. And I'm also going to show you how to put a book into Noodle tools, which I think I showed in class, but I'll do it in this video anyway. So you're going to look in this example here of a paragraph. This is where we're talking about the concrete detail, your quote from your text. If it was actually a sample paragraph, you might have a quote in here, and then after the quote, you need to put an in-text citation, okay? So you have to have your resource already entered into Noodle tools. So I'm going to use a book just to show you once again. I would create a new citation. Because it's a book, I click print or in hand. I click book, and then I'm going to put in the ISBN number, which here it asks for that. You're going to put it in this space. So as I read it off the book, it's 156006 1243, no dashes. And I click search. And most of the time it will find the book. And I can see this is the book I was looking for. The author is right. So I click this to highlight it. And then I'm going to click import selected source. I will double check it. You can add information here if you needed to. The author is correct. I hit continue. The information is in there, and then I click save. Okay, so now I have my source. Now, if I'm going to quote from that source, I would put it in a note card and find out, what the page number was. If I was going to, I didn't do a page number because I'm not actually doing a quote, but if I wanted to edit this and go back, I could put in other information that I need, right? So you have these blank spaces here that you would use, and this doesn't offer a page number, but I know that my note card does, so I could just manually add it if I need to. Okay, see where it says here, tweak this citation manually, right? You could just also type it right into your paper. Okay, but Noodle Tools is very good in that it gives you the in-text citation. You would click options, and then scroll down a little bit, in-text reference. And it's going to show you here at the top of the page. I'm going to use my highlighter here. And this is what you're going to put. Okay, it does say what page number. So you're going to put Resnick because it's the author's last name. And then you insert your page number without the brackets. You would just put Resnick, comma, 21. Okay? Obviously, you don't write the end of your sentence. This is the end of your sentence. So you could just highlight this part right here, paste it into your paper, followed by a period with the proper page number, okay? And because there's an author, it's the author's last name. If it was a website, which this one we've all used, okay? There's no author. It's called resistors. So you'd click options, in-text reference, and it's going to show you. Since there's no author, you would put this, and there's no page number because it's a website. So you're going to highlight this, and at the end of the quote you use for your concrete detail, you would copy and paste that. Okay, so it tells you exactly. So each body paragraph is going to have, if there's one chunk, you're going to have at least one in-text citation. If there's two chunks, you have two in-text citations. Okay, and that is super important. It's not a research paper if you don't do that, and your grade will be severely limited if you do not use in-text citations and a works cited. Now, in order to do the works cited at the end of the paper, you simply click print or export, and then you can export to Word if you'd like to, or you could go right to Google Docs, and then you would just copy and paste it. So you're going to click print export to Google Docs, and it will automatically open. It might ask you for your account. Then once you sign in, it's going to automatically copy this into a document, which you can then paste into your, there it is. And it should look exactly like this. You'll notice it has author's last name, comma, first name. Myers, I'm going to use my highlighter again. So your in-text citation, even though it does it for you automatically, it's always the first thing. So if it was this book, you would put Dills, comma, and the page number in parentheses. If it was this book, it would be Myers, comma, and the page number in parentheses. Here, we already showed this one. Resistors in parentheses. Here would be Resnick, okay? Then you would copy and paste this. Works cited should be centered at the end of your research paper. It's very easy using Noodle tools, and you can watch this video multiple times if you need to, but that's exactly how you do it.